What's up guys, it's ctrlGreg Tech here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to install the Prism launcher and how to install this wonderful mod pack with amazing graphics. So first you want to go to the Prism launcher official website, which I will have linked in this video below, and click the download button in the top right corner. Now this part is very important. Choose your platform: Linux, Windows, Mac OS or Steam Deck. Just make sure you select the correct one. For most Windows users, I would recommend downloading the installer. Soon the file should start downloading. Once it's downloaded, just click on it. This wizard will guide you through downloading Prism Launcher. Click next and don't change anything here. Choose the location where Prism Launcher will be installed. It doesn't take up much space, so I recommend going with the default location. Then just wait a minute or two till the thing does its job. When it's done, just click finish. After a while, this window pops up. Select your language. I'm going with American English for this tutorial. Click next, and this is the most important part about installing Prism Launcher. Minimum memory allocation means RAM. If you don't know how much you have and you want to check, make sure to right click on your Windows bar and then click Task Manager. Here, go into the third icon from the down and see how much memory your PC has. My PC has 32 gigabytes of RAM. For the maximum memory allocation, I would suggest doing as much RAM as you possibly can while not doing more than half of your RAM. For example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, do not go over 4 gigabytes. I would say there is no point of going over 8 gigabytes of RAM for the maximum memory allocation. Here I would just keep it default really. Now you have to link your Microsoft account. This is fairly easy. You just scan a QR code or log in. However, you have to have Minecraft on that Microsoft account. If you don't own Minecraft on the Microsoft account, it will just put you in a demo world. If you link your Microsoft account, this is where you download the mods, and this is where the fun part starts. Now go over to add instance. Here there's a ton of options, but if you want the nice graphics mod, make sure to choose the newest Minecraft version. Scroll down and choose Fabric as your mod loader. For almost everything in this tutorial, make sure to click on the newest version. Here you can give a name for your instance. Then click OK. Now select your instance and click edit. Click on the mods section and download the following mods. You need sodium, iris shaders and fabric. To install a mod, click on it, select the newest version and click select mod for download. At the end, click review mods and download all of them. Now click resource packs. These are optional but do look really nice. Download the fresh animations mod and the default dark mode. Confirm and download. And this is the part that gives you the nice graphics. Click shader packs and search up Bliss. This is the one. Here it's especially important that you download the newest version. Review and download. And you are basically done. Click launch to launch Minecraft. The first time it will launch Minecraft, it will take longer because it has to download the newest version. Once that's done, it just kicks you into the game. The moment you load in, go into settings and click on video settings. Here, have almost everything turned on to fancy. Go into shader packs, click on Bliss and click apply. Once you're done that, just load into a world. And wow, does this look nice. The sun's rays are bouncing off the trees and the trees themselves are moving against the wind, and the water just looks out of this world. If you're playing on a slow PC or if the game is lagging, just change the performance settings to less render distance, less chunks, and less quality for the shader pack. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to comment in the comment section below should I do a part 2 with the best mods for Minecraft Java. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace!